Welcome back, dear viewers, to another exciting episode of our channel. Today, we are diving headfirst into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're an experienced crypto enthusiast or just someone curious to learn more, this video is the ultimate guide to understanding the ins and outs of cryptocurrency. So, let's get started. Segment 1: What is cryptocurrency? First things first, let's break down what cryptocurrency actually is. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of money that relies on cryptographic techniques for secure financial transactions. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, which means they aren't controlled by any central authority like banks or governments. Segment 2: The rise of Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency. One of the pioneers of the cryptocurrency revolution is Bitcoin. Created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin shook the financial world by introducing the concept of a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Since then, the value of Bitcoin has soared, making headlines worldwide. Segment 3: How cryptocurrencies work. But how do cryptocurrencies work? Well, every cryptocurrency operates on a technology called blockchain. It's essentially a digital ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction is secured using cryptographic principles, making it transparent and virtually impossible to alter or counterfeit. Segment 4: Popular cryptocurrencies. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, but some of the most well-known ones include Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and many more. Each cryptocurrency has unique features and use cases, catering to different needs within the digital economy. Segment 5: Benefits and risks of cryptocurrency. Now, let's explore the benefits and risks associated with cryptocurrency. On one hand, cryptocurrencies offer fast, low-cost transactions, financial inclusivity, and potential for high returns on investment. On the other hand, there are risks of volatility, security breaches, and regulatory uncertainties. Segment 6: Cryptocurrency wallets. Securing your cryptocurrency is paramount. That's where wallets come in. A cryptocurrency wallet is a digital tool that allows you to store, send, and receive your cryptocurrency safely. There are hardware wallets, software wallets, and even paper wallets, each with its pros and cons. Segment 7: Cryptocurrency mining. Have you ever wondered how new cryptocurrencies are created? Mining is the process by which transactions are verified and added to the blockchain. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, and in return, they are rewarded with newly minted coins. Segment 8: Regulation and future of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies have seen rapid growth, but with it comes the need for regulation. Governments around the world are trying to find a balance between fostering innovation and protecting consumers. The future of cryptocurrency is exciting, with potential applications in various industries beyond finance. Well, that concludes our crash course on cryptocurrency. We hope this video has provided you with a clearer understanding of this digital phenomenon. Remember, always do your research and stay informed before diving into the world of cryptocurrencies. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on cryptocurrency, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Goodbye.